and become, build yourself a little side hustle, that's cool.
Yeah,
right?
that's nice.
This is a great place to start because it's not complex. I'm not teaching you to sculpt. The shapes are done.
Yeah, it's already done.
It's in the packet, right?
Yeah, so that's why you can do it from home.
The glue is there to mark the space. It's not there to adhere the product, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to show you how to use fiber gel to attach.
Yeah, and the protein bond.
Right, and then you're going to use protein bond. You're going to use, so the protein bond is in, the swipe is in, the tips are there. This little file that you need when you work with the tips, right? Like that. And it comes with the finger light as well, which I almost bumped over. The only thing I guess people would probably need, which is not in the kit, is a full LED lamp, right?
Because this one is a bit small.
This is a flash pure lamp. It's literally, you'll see when we start going through the process what this thing does. This thing is just, it's flash pure. It doesn't have the strength, etc. to do a full cure. They come in different shapes. So these are almonds, there are stilettos, there are coffins.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So there's options. You will see, and I'm going to take one of them, just the last one. There's 10 different sizes of tips.
Oh, wow.
So there's 50 of each tip in each compartment, and there's 10 compartments.
Oh, wow. So there's 500 nails.
Yeah, it's a pack of 500.
Oh, wow.
It's a master pack. And what you'll notice is it's a full cover tip. So full cover tip goes from the cuticle all the way down.
All the way on the nail. Okay, and it's already the perfect size.
Yeah, it's already the perfect shape. You just got to find the size that fits your finger.
Okay. Yeah, because I saw that it comes with glue.
But we don't use this.
Okay, we don't use the glue.
So what this is good for is it's a marker, right? So while you're sizing your fingers, and we're going to get to that just now, when you take it out, because when you look at this thing on the inside, they all look the same. It's impossible to remember where you get it from.
Yeah.
So then you'll wind up mixing up your sizes.
Yeah.
So my one is completely mixed because I don't pay attention to what I do. So what you do is when you take out the size you want to test, you put the marker in there. That's why it's there. Right.
Okay, so then you know which nail you have in your hand.
And that's if your boyfriend or husband doesn't steal this, because this thing also works well in their workshop. So a lot of our students have to hide the glue because the boyfriend and husband comes and steals the glue. So I use it as a marker.
Okay.
So if I wanted to test it, I would take it from there, I put the marker in, and I go, okay, that one maybe doesn't fit. Then I put it away, and the number becomes smaller.
Oh, okay.
And it keeps going until the really smallest of sizes. Okay, so it's got really nice sizing dimensions. And for the most part, what we find is a lot of our students, they kind of find the perfect size fit.
Oh, wow.
Because he's dead, right?
Yeah.
So that's would be for the pinky and so.
Okay. So if you are a nail technician and you buy the set, you can do pre-designed nails for your clients, and they can do a press-on nail.
Well, yes and no, because you still need to adhere it, right? And if you put too much stuff on top, your lamp is not going to cure all the way through. Because we don't use glue to stick on.
Yeah.
What you could do is you could build the set, and then you use the glue.
Okay.
And then you just stick it on, right?
Okay.
So traditionally, that's how it used to be done. And these are different than the tips that stick on the edge.
Okay,
so anybody that's had, they call those half-well tips. Okay, these are full-well tips. So these are half-well. The old way of doing nails, because we now teach people how to sculpt instead of using tips.
Yes.
But the old half-well tips, you kind of put it, sized it correctly, put the glue on, plonked it on, and they stuck it.
Okay.
Right, and they hold on to your fingers for a while, and then when you look again, there's glue everywhere,
and it burns,
and it's a mess.
And then your fingernail gets stuck to your
skin. Is stuck to the finger.
Yeah.
And so, no. The answer is no. Don't do that. Yeah. We have a much easier version. Right? So that's the first important part, and we're going to get to these things in a minute. Keep this thing closed. If it falls down, then you have to hire a 14-year-old that can see what they're doing, put it back. Right.
Okay.
Then in the kit you have the there's actually more colors now, but there's 3 fiber gel bottles. They're really, really nice. And you have our original sheer pink, which is just, it's on its own.
It's like a French.
It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. It works beautifully. It's absolutely amazing. Okay. You have the white, which is a soft white.
Yeah.
So it's not super bright. Really, really stunning product. The colors are just insane in this thing.
Okay, so if you like a nude French,
if you like a nudish French, etc.,
it can take you.
It can take you there.
Far, yeah.
And then this is our cover nude, which has a nice pinkish base to it, but it actually comes out absolutely gorgeous. Really, really stunning.
And this is the full-sized products
these
that
are
you
full-size
get.
products. We don't do.
You don't do mini. It's not a mini version.
Not for this. No, like we have mini kits for other products, but this thing is, these are full-size bottles. This is what you're gonna get. It's normal. You can buy these bottles on our website.
Yeah, so you can add on through the website as yours get finished.
So if you're a home-based person that wants to get stuff done for yourself, you buy the kit, you have everything that you need inside.
And you can do your friends' nails as well and charge them and get new products.
And then as the product gets finished, you just replace the product that gets
finished.
Nice.
Right? Yeah. Okay.
It's exciting. No, don't worry. We'll file it straight if we have to.
Okay.
How cool is that?
Happy days. Oh,
you take it. There you go. So now what this does is all those light bulbs switch on.
Yeah.
And it like vroom. Right? That's the best technical term I could come up with. Right. And now there you go. Done. Look. Okay.
Look at that, guys.
Epic. Congratulations.
I did my first nail.
Very first ever.
My very first ever nail.
Look how epic that looks.
Guys, I've never done my nails before, so this is like my very first time.
That is so huge. So huge.
Happy days. I've always had someone to do it for me. Now I can do it myself. Exciting stuff, guys. Okay, cool. Now I want to do the next one.
There we go.
Okay, let's go. Right. Do I make it look easy? Look. What? Yeah.
You've learned how to prepare properly.
Yes.
We've applied tips with fiber gel.
Yeah, not glue.
No glue on this thing.
Yeah.
You've blended them super nicely with the cuticles, right?
Perfect.
You've taken off all the shine from the actual tips themselves.
Yeah.
The tips come in, they're very shiny.
Yeah, they are very shiny and smooth.
Very shiny, super smooth.
That's the difference.
Okay. Here's the thing, if you don't remove the shine and stuff, even from the natural nail or from a tip. It doesn't matter what you use, it's not going to stick to that because it's too smooth. The gel has nothing to adhere to.
Yeah, so it's going to pop off.
Exactly. I'll put money on it. Okay, so we are now going to make a canvas because our plan is to use some of our other products and we're going to do some super awesome and fun. Well, you're going to do some super awesome art stuff, right?
Yes.
So
adding other stuff.
If I wasn't adding other stuff, I would put a second coat of it.
Yeah. Or even a third, depending on
how much coverage I want. Now, these are our cream clays.
Yes.
Okay, so for those that didn't,
cream clays.
Super excited.
I saw the video on YouTube, guys. So for me, it's like.
And the reason she's so excited is, so this is a soft gel. Okay, it's called cream clays. It comes from Young Nails. And you can.
I'm so
I can't see what the camera can see at the moment. So.
Look at that. Wait, I'm gonna do it here. Look at that shine, guys. It's metallic.
And they come in a bunch of. We're using 3 colors today.
We're using that one.
There's a whole bunch of colors, right? I can't even remember. There's 12 or 14 colors. And that one. We do have a green one. I don't think it's going to fit with our plate.
And we're going to need like a white or
white.
Look at these colors, guys. It's insane. Are we going to do green?
No, I'm showing.
Oh yeah. Let's show the colors.
And these are only a handful of colors that I have.
It's so metallic.
There's a plain white.
It's
a bright white.
Oh wow, this is bright. I mean, it's even whiter than the holder.
Than the jar.
Yeah.
It's a lovely, beautiful thing. That is so gorgeous.
Oh, it's like a coralish.
Yeah, it's absolutely.
It's like a coralish. This is my kind of color, guys. This is the color I would.
Clearly, the black is being used a lot. Okay.
Yeah, so we can use it today.
We like the black. Yeah, you can definitely use the black. There's no issue with that.
Getting the green. And the nice thing is, when you buy it, it has the color code on the lid.
Yeah.
So you don't even have to like make a swatch or anything. It's already marked for you. Yeah.
And then this is how it shows up.
Okay, so when you open it, it's already sealed.
Nicely sealed. It's very safe. It's very secure. Here's a beautiful.
And it opens so easily. Like even with nails, you can open it. Oh, Jules, this is your color. This is so your color. Like, look at that. Oh,
it's literally like butter.
Damn. I also love the colors. All the colors.
Yeah, and there's a few more on the side that, like, the guys are very welcome to go check out. So
yeah, go and check on the side, guys.
Okay. So we're gonna work with these 3.
Okay.
Right. Well, you're gonna work with.
Yeah, I'm gonna work with these 3.
Right. So now I need to bring you some
butter and applies like silk. Yes.
Yeah. So you need a bit of tools.
Okay. For now, I'm just gonna quickly do our photos and everything, and yeah, then I will see you guys a bit later. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you guys go online and, like, seriously, I mean, you can produce an amazing set of nails for a fraction of the price. That, I mean, if you save up a few months, you can definitely do this, or you can use Payflex. That's interest-free on their website. Get your kit, get started, learn how to do fiber gel nails, and then build from there. I mean, once you start gaining an income from your first kit, you can actually save up money to pay for your next course that you do. I mean, their courses are very affordable. And then after you've learned how to do all of your nails, you can do the Business 101 course and their digital marketing course. So they basically teach you how to do nails. They provide the product that you can buy from them. And if you become a qualified tech, you get 10% off. And I think it's a way that you can start investing in yourself and building your own future. So yeah, thank you guys for your time, and I hope you have a blessed night further. Love you, bye.